So guys, today I will show you, I already discussed you, so I will show you the full overview and setting up your shipping and how to launch your store step by step. Let's say you want to sell fashion, like men's fashion product online, and you don't have the shop, but you don't know coding, okay? So you don't know anything, okay? So but you want your customer from UK and USA, so that's why where Shopify incoming, okay? So now let's talk about what is Shopify. Shopify is like a returning and digital shop in the internet, okay? In a word, if I explain it very simple and short. Okay, so today I will cover you the Shopify dashboard and overview, okay? So for example, in the home tab, you will see the sales summary, order overview, and analytics preview, okay? So as you can see, analytics, sales, cover, over, and order, and everything. So as you can see here is your market, here is your analytics, here is your home, here is your order, here is your product. So in the home section you will see everything, okay? So on the order section, you will say you like it will show you order list and then show you order details, okay? So that's pretty simple and like very straightforward. How many order you get, how many sales you get, you will see on over here, okay? So in the product section you will see like add new product, show title, description, price, image, variant. So this is where you more this is where your money comes in, okay? So if I go one of the products, so I will show you what I did on the product, okay? So look, I have given the product title, I have given the description, and then at the bottom I have given the product images, and at the bottom I have given the product variant, and also as you can see variant images, and then also meta search title. And if you scroll down top, look, here's the tag, here's the collection, here's the vendor, here's the type, everything. So you can give whatever you want, okay? So if you want more deeply tutorial about the Shopify, how to upload the right SEO, product description, title, and everything, do the comment, then I will show you. And then also guys, under the collection you will see all of your collection. Under the inventory, in the collection it's pretty simple and straightforward. Getting collection, you need to click the add collection. After the give title, give description, and give the like collection images, and choose the template, by which template, which design, which style you like. And after that select the smart meanings, like you will be able to select your collection product based on the condition. Like you can add all of your product like one single tag. So if you click on over here like tag, so tag equal to, so if you add your product like list, okay? So if you add this list tag into your product, then if you click this save, then all of your list tag product will show on this collection, right? Pretty simple, okay? Let's go to the inventory. So guys, under the inventory you will see how many product available, everything, whatever you want, you will be able to see like how you can update your product inventory and everything. Pretty simple and straightforward. Let's click the save. Now that will be done. Let's come to the order purchase. So I'm not gonna go through each of this thing. I will go to the only main thing that every single day unit, okay? So let's go to the customer. So you will see all of your customer list and data who actually buy product from you, okay? The marketing, you will see all the marketing campaign, and you can run the email campaign, you can run the attribution, you can run the automation, whatever you can imagine, you can do it, okay? Okay, under the discount, you can get a discount. Let's create a couple of discounts so that you can see everything how this is work, okay? Let's click the amount of product. So let's generate the discount code, and from here as you can see, do you want the percentage discount or you want to fix discount? Okay, so I want the percentage discount. If anyone use this code, they will get 10% off, okay, of product. Pretty simple. And at the end, so you will see who exactly perfect for this customer, like perfect for this discount. All customer, online, for online store, 10% of collection, and no minimum purchase requirement, no age. So if you also want, you can actually select eligible for customer, you can actually specific customer segment. So let's click the browse customer who didn't purchase. If you click here, so add, so who didn't purchase, this is the customer, like only will be apply for who didn't purchase yet from your store, okay? So for this specific customer, if you click the browse, then you will be able to also search. You should add the segment first, then you will see your segment over here, okay? So I will show you how you can get the segment, and also you can create the automatic discount. So if you click the automatic discount, so you can, let's give my automated discount, let's give the title AU automatic discount, okay? So let's fix my spelling mistake, automatic discount. So I will do like to give 10% specific customer, no minimum requirement. So amount of purchase spent, so they, if someone spend $100, they will get this discount, okay? 10% off minimum query item. So if anyone buy like at least 3 items, they will get this discount, okay? So combination on product discount, it will be product is eligible item in cart may receive at once product discount, okay? So you can give the product discount, okay, order discount. So like if someone order, so if someone ordered the 3 item, then they will get the like discount, okay. All eligible order discount will apply addition to eligible product discount, okay. So shipping discount, so you can give whatever you want. So active date, under the active date guys, you can actually select the which time this offer will be start, what is that end time, okay. So if you want for the like all this time it will be applied, so you should not select this one, okay. So once this is done, you will see the overview like automatic discount and type product per discount and details PUC include, and then also 10% collection, minimum purchase at least 3 item, and combines with the order and shipping discount and active from today, okay. So if you active from like 3 March, so you can select 3 March, then you will see active from 3 March, okay. So whatever you want, however you want, you can definitely do that. Let's click the save option. Now I am missing to select my product and then select the customer. So since we don't have any customer, so that's why nothing showing here, customer page. So let's select the minimum instead of where it is. So let's select the all of the customer, it will be apply for the all of the customer, and I will select the product. So I will apply only product for this collection, okay. So best selling collection, if anyone buy product from the best selling collection, they will get the discount. If I click the save option, now it will be saved. Pretty simple and pretty basic, not very complicated, okay. So in another video I will go to the deeply like discount question, execute the, I'll go to the each one another video, and then you will see, okay. So you need to subscribe my channel, to be honest. And let's come to the content, and under the content guys, you will see all of your object meta, so available on the storefront web page and recent entries. So if you click on over here, then it will see, okay. So gray, so it's like a like all of the meta object will show here, like your color is to see. If you want, you can actually delete them, you can add them, whatever however you want, you can actually do that, okay. Let's delete them, okay. Let's see, this section entire cannot be deleted, two entries in reference in your store, okay. So it's, I cannot delete, it's reference from my store. So if you try one, so one entry reference, you cannot be, this is cannot be deleted, okay. So let's come to the file guys, you will see all of our file into over here, okay. So how many images, video and icon I have added into the Shopify, I will see all of them into over here. So if you want to delete from here, you can definitely do that. If you select here, let's click the delete file, let's click the delete, and it will be deleted from here, okay. Not much complicated, not much hard, okay. So if I come to the menus, then you will see of all of your menus. So let's see some of my template menus that I have created before. So look, all of my menu into over here, okay. Not much complicated, so you can create some menu as well, you can add more menus. So if I click here, so I want to add our policy at the morning menu, so I will like to add the shipping policy. Let's click the select. Now as you can see, it's have been added here, okay. Pretty simple and basic. So if you want the more complex and more like good like manipulation, you should definitely let me know, okay. So blog post, so you can create the blog post from here. You can give blog post title, blog post text description, okay, blog post images, feature images. If you would like to visible, you can do that, and then you can give where you would like to set up, and then also you can choose the blog post template. If you have the template, you can add the tag as well, okay. So let's come to the market. So what is the market? Market, under the market guys, you can sell, you can keep the market there you want to sell, okay. It's not pretty much complicated, not pretty much hard. So market is like where you want to sell, okay, in your word. So you can add the market from here. So you can give the market name, you can add the market condition. Market condition means like where you would like to sell, okay. I want to sell like Andorra, okay, Andorra. So Andorra been connected here. Let's click the save option, and then you can apply for the whole product, or you can apply for this some of the specific product. So shipping rate not configured. After setting this, you should definitely, I will go through I will come to the letter on the shipping. So if you come to the analytics, then you will be able to see your live analytics, you will be able to see your report, and then you will be able to see everything. Pretty simple, and there is nothing hard, okay. Okay, so now guys, as you can see here is our analytics. So if you get the new exploration, then you will see some of the thing. You can ask any question about the explore, whatever question you have, whatever it is, like about the customer, and delay since last order, delay since last to apply, then you will see everything into over here, okay. So 0 days, okay, that's the thing. Whatever question you have, you can ask into over here, then you can get the result, okay. If you see the live view, then you will see where from the customer coming and where not. from people buying, and everything you will be able to see here. Okay, so pretty simple and straightforward and nothing complicated here. Okay, so you will see your live total order, who actually purchasing you, how many visitors in your current order, like in your website. You see everything into the order. Okay, so under the online store, that is the most important part, that is the machine of the Shopify. So from here we actually build our store. Okay, so you can choose the theme from here. We can choose, you can customize our store by clicking the edit theme. Pretty simple. We'll come later into over here. Let's go back from now, and if you come to the page, now guys, you will see all of how many pages I have created. You can click the add. If you click the add page, then I will click the create a page. Okay, so let's create a page. Let's give the about us. Okay, about us, and guys, and then you can click the visible, then click the save. That's it, your page has been created. Okay, pretty simple, not much complicated, not much hard. And if you come to settings, then guys, you will see all of the settings and everything into Shopify. Okay, so under the general, you will be able to customize your like store data, store location and email and everything. Okay, so if I come to the store details, store address, then I will be able to add my company and my region and whatever it is. Okay, let's cancel. If I click my edit contact details, so here you will be able to change your store name, email, and store phone, whatever it is you want, you can definitely change that. Okay, and if you come to the plan, then you will see which plan you have taken from the Shopify. Okay, so you can change the plan, you can cancel the plan. If you cancel the plan, then the cancel plan will be cancelled. Okay, so let's continue. So you can definitely select a reason why you will cancel. Let's click cancel. Okay, cancel plan. Okay, so this way you can cancel. You can change the plan, like you from the basic, you can go to the standard, you can go to the advanced, you can go to the plus. If you go to the like advanced, then you will see like a full online store and sell in person with the phone or card reader, and then 10 inventory location and full integrated shipping, and then 15 staff account. And oh, that's too much. Okay, so staff account. Okay, local store phone by market and to enhance 24-hour chat support. Okay, 5 staff account, and then also if you take this one, you will get 1 staff account. Okay, so we got it. So if you select the pro plan, let's select this one. Okay, now we will see how many like you should add your order and everything, card and whatever it is. So if you want, you can choose the yearly. If you want, you can change the monthly. Okay, so if I choose the yearly, now you will see the price is like 588 USD. Okay, let's cross that from here. Okay, so here's the app. So I told you I will show you about the apps. Okay, so I will go to the later. Let's come to the settings first. Okay, so under the settings, you can add your payment. Okay, you can add your payment. This is most important part. If you click the add payment method, then I will be able to select the provider. If I select the search by provider, you can search the payment Disha. So you can see, look, so add the payment. So you can select this one. You should log in into this payment. You can install it, and you should log in. Then you can add it. Okay, under the checkout, guys, you can see your checkout process. You can customize the checkout page under the shipping and location delivery. Then here's the most important part that I told you I will show you later. If I come to the product, then you will see everything there. Okay, so like for the United States, I have selected the standard shipping rate $10, but I want to also make it the shipping for the free. Okay, so free shipping, VSSI double P shipping, and the you can select the flat rate custom. Okay, so shipping rate, so you can track the order, track the number provided. Okay, so shipping is free, and then you can select the US dollar, Canadian dollar, add condition. If you click add condition, based on the price, based on the what, based on the price, most of the people do based on the price. If anyone minimum order like at least $50 or let's select the $80, then no price. Okay, so they should not give any price. Okay, so this will free shipping. Free shipping over, I can do something like free shipping over. Okay, so let's save this spelling. So if free shipping over 800 USD. Okay, USD, something like that. So now people will be able to get free shipping if they order more than $800, like $80. Okay, so let's click it done. It will be saved into over here. Let's click the save option from here. That's it. Our shipping exam will be done. So I should come to the taxes. Okay, so taxes. So if you're in United States or if you're in any country, then you should definitely come to the taxes and duties, then you can select your own taxes. Okay, so for the Australia, you can take tax like tax from the client, like customers, if you can pay it in Australia. So for the Australia customer, you can pay the tax. Okay, so tax is active, this is active. So free service of Australia, this tax is active. So collect the new region, so whatever it is, so you, like, I think this is self-explanatory matter, so you should definitely work on it. Okay, so let's come again to the settings, and after that, guys, you will move to the domain. Okay, so where the domain, here is the domain. So after coming to the domain, you can add your domain. As you can see, as my primary domain Shopify provided domain connected. So if you want, you can connect the existing domain. You can connect the domain name like xyzdf.com. So let's click the next. Now it will take you to the next step. So you should follow the next step. It's pretty simple. In future, I will create a specific video for this one, how you can actually do the currently existing domain, whatever it is. So you can definitely do it. Okay, pretty simple, not much hard, not much complicated. Okay, so update the DNS. You should update the DNS server into your domain provider. Okay, so it's very simple. If you come to the domain, now it's not, as you can see, it's not set up yet. Okay, so you should definitely set up it. Okay, and then you can buy domain from the Shopify. So you have to wait for a couple of moments, then you will see all of the domain actually show here. Okay, so if you buy this one, now it automatically will connect to Shopify. You don't have to do anything else. Like it will automatically connect, you don't have to do anything else, like we don't have to work manually. Okay, so that's pretty much it about the domain. So if I come to the theme customization, let's come to the theme customization. So now we are in theme customization. So from here, I'm going to show you how you can customize the theme. So let's change this banner. Okay, so if I see the image, then let's select one of the images like this one, will be done. Now guys, you will see our banner have been changed here. Okay, so I can control the height, width, and whatever it is. Okay, that's it. So and then also we can change the color as well. So if I select this one, if I come to the, if I, you can see color scheme, so if you select here, so you can select a different type of color scheme. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then also I'm going to show you how you can add the section as well. So if you scroll down at the bottom, as you can see, a section, click this section, whatever section you should, whenever you hover over, then you will see the preview. Let's click the layered slideshow. So okay guys, so I hope that's pretty much it of this section, how you can add. So whatever section you want, you can definitely add. Okay, so that is the basic stuff. So if you want more like a very good tutorial, you should comment any specific, because in one video, like if I show everything, it will be like 4 to 5 hours video tutorial. So I will recommend what type of content you really need, comment below. So like let's simply step by step make a plan for the launch. So first step, all step one, choose a product and then add the product into the Shopify. So I will show you all of this thing, add the product into Shopify, set up shipping and connecting domain, and launch ad. Okay, make it clear and structure. Okay, so and one most important thing I would like to say, never launch your store without testing the payment. Okay, order test. Okay, don't use low quality image and don't ignore product description, and focus on the one product first. Okay, then you can actually moving forward. Okay, so if you are serious about the building a Shopify store in 2026, subscribe, and next I will show you how to find the winning product and everything. Subscribe my channel. So if you like, subscribe, and if you want to see winning product video, so comment below, I will definitely create a video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.